In the last topic for this video series, we want to take a look at death, dying, and funeral practices. Of course, death is a solemn occasion. However, much like childbirth, it's also something that's considered a family affair. And I wouldn't be surprised upon the time that a family has been notified that their loved one is near death, that not only would immediate but extended family also show up, along with members of cultural and or faith communities. Although death is always something difficult for families to accept, there's also a sense of peace or tranquility that comes along with it. Because death, according to Islamic theology, is seen as the end of the earthly life, but the beginning of this eternal spiritual existence, with the hope that their loved one will go to paradise, also known as heaven. Upon the immediate passing of an individual, do not be surprised if you hear the term in Arabic, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un, which translates in English to, from God we come and to God we return. Families will begin making funeral arrangements right away, and it is preferred that a person be buried the same day or the day immediately following the passing, unless there are special circumstances that would not allow this. In cases in which there are no loved ones or relatives to claim the body, you can always reach out to your local Islamic center and ask them for assistance in the funeral and burial arrangements. When it comes to the funeral practices, a body is taken to a local funeral home where volunteers from the Muslim community will ritually wash the body. They will wrap it in white sheets. It will be transported to a local Islamic center where a brief funeral prayer will take place, and last but not least, it will be taken to a cemetery and buried directly in the ground, as caskets and coffins are not used. And of course, because death and the loss of a loved one is always a very difficult situation, please feel to reach out to us at CARE Oklahoma or your local Islamic center and ask for help. Thank you for watching this video series on a healthcare provider's guide to Islamic religious practices. Now you have a strong foundation of understanding of not only the Islamic faith, but also how you can best care for your Muslim patients. Of course, we could not cover every topic in this video series. For that reason, please take a look at our digital and print version of the guide and reach out to us if you would like an in-person or online training, or if we can answer any questions.